welcome back to Slick Whip Talk, Car Talk. So today we're headed to the truck meetup. Hopefully they'll have some awesome trucks out there. Houston Lifted Trucks is the name of the meetup. This will be my first time going. I'm really looking forward to meeting some awesome people and seeing some awesome trucks. So let's get it, let's see what it brings, and dive right off into it. Yeah.
Light on my mind, I cannot write it down. Day to day, I run the streets, I don't get no sleep. If it ain't about money, I don't come around. If I don't know y'all won't speak, please don't judge me. Day to day, I run the streets, I don't get no sleep. If I don't know y'all won't speak, please don't judge me. Day to day, I run the streets, I don't get no sleep. If I don't know y'all won't speak, please don't judge me. Day to day shit be on my mind, I sit and meditate. I can't hang around no niggas that ain't tryna elevate. BMB, I went tatted that shit right on side of my face. I'm busy switching the states, I'm in a whole nother place. Every time I look up, they judging me, dawg. It's a lot of shit that I won't speak, I won't leave it in the streets. Double up that money, I'm gon' stack it tall. And I know these niggas envy, so I keep it on me. Light on my mind, I cannot write it down.
Every shot I gotta shine, still hold shit down. Name another rapper did what I did in the time. What we talk about.
Oh man. Done to it so far. This Black Mama, by the way, you all found him on Instagram.
Man, I did a 6-inch lift, I did an 8-inch lift, I did a 12-inch lift,
And now you're at a 14.
14-inch lift.
Okay. And what? It's a bulletproof lift
Yeah, bulletproof.
with the coilovers.
Fox coilover. Fox Racing, company racing coilover. 14-inch travel.
And what type of exhaust you got on the back?
Exhaust, I'm running I'm running a ProMaster Outlaw with a 4.5-inch pipe running to an 8-inch tip.
It is, y'all. 14-inch F-150, black on black. Nice. Okay, you all, so it was a good turnout, pretty decent. Looking forward to the next few meetups to come. I enjoyed myself on this one, by the way. I actually met some pretty good people, and hopefully I'll see them again. We'll meet up and do it again. Make sure if you're new to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.